Hello everyone, and thank you so much for joining me today for another Stampin Sunday video. This is Laura Buechler of Inkyfingers Papercrafting, your independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Nanaimo, BC. Today I've got a really fun card for you, perfect for summer. I'll be showing you how to create a side step card, and we'll be using the Hippest Hippos stamp set and the coordinating Hippo Dies. Both of these are level 1 Sale-a-Bration items, meaning you can earn either one of them for free with your $60 purchase until August 31st. Now, burnish all your score lines with your bone folder so your card folds like so. I'm going to start by stamping these adorable hippos, one of each. I'm going to bring in my mini Stampin Cut and Emboss machine to use the coordinating Hippo Dies to cut out the stamped images. I'm also going to cut out several charming accessories for my hippos, using other dies from the set and the 2022 in colors. I'll use my blends to color in the hippos. I want to decorate my card with lots of waves, so I'll use the wavy die from the Hippo Dies set several times. Since the cardstock I'm using is wider than the die, I'll use the die twice to cut along the full width. Now it's time to add the accessories to the hippos. I used adhesive sheets on the back of all these small pieces to make them easier to attach. I cut out this die twice, once with green for the frames and once with brown for the sunglasses lenses. What a cool hippo! Now I'll figure out where I want all these lovely hippos to go. This die set even cuts out some splashy water droplets. I'm going to add these to my scene. And finally, it's a hot summer day. This scene needs a sunshine. Let's add some sparkle to the water with some iridescent rhinestones. And there's my finished card. Remember that you'll get a chance to win this card when you share the video from my public Facebook page. Leave a comment below to let me know that you've shared, and maybe I'll be sending you this card in the mail.
Thanks so much for watching, everyone. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please drop me a comment below and let me know what you think. And if there's something specific that you'd like to learn about, just ask. Remember that you can purchase all the products shown on my website, inkyfingers.ca, where you'll also find all the current catalogs, current promotional details, my events calendar, lots of tutorials and videos, and the sign up for my email newsletter. Have a great day, everyone, and happy stamping! Bye!